Welcome back to Simple Step Tutorials. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to add a watermark in Microsoft Word, perfect for branding or marking documents as confidential or drafts. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Word document. Start by opening the document where you want to apply the watermark. Step 2. Go to the Design tab. At the top ribbon, click on Design. This is where Word's page formatting tools live. Step 3. Click on Watermark. On the right side of the Design tab, you'll see the Watermark button. Click it to reveal built-in watermark options. Step 4. Choose a built-in watermark. You can choose from options like Confidential, Do Not Copy, or Draft. Click to apply it instantly. Step 5. Customize your own watermark. Want to use your own words? Click Custom Watermark at the bottom of the menu. Then select Text Watermark and type anything you want, like your company name. Step 6. Adjust the look. You can change the font, color, layout, and transparency to make it match your style. Step 7. Save your document. Once your watermark is applied, go ahead and save the document like you normally do. That's it. Now your document has a clear watermark for extra professionalism. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a simple step.